Tired of that old Trello board cluttering your workspace? Let's permanently delete it. First, navigate to the Trello board you want to remove. In the top right corner, click Show Menu. A sidebar will appear. Scroll down to the bottom and click on More. In the More menu, find and click on Close Board Euro. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Closing the board hides it from view, but it is not yet permanently deleted. Click Close. The board is now closed. You will see a banner with the option to reopen the board or permanently delete board Euro. Click Permanently Delete Board Euro. Another confirmation pop-up will appear, emphasizing that this action is irreversible. Consider backing up any important information before proceeding, as all data will be lost. Click Delete to confirm. The board is now permanently deleted. It will disappear from your Trello workspace. Remember, there is no undoing this action, so make sure you're absolutely certain before deleting a board. That's it. You've successfully deleted a Trello board. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips.